Is Windows failing to load because of the GUID Generator DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To start fixing GUID Generator manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the GUID Generator, the Windows GUID, Globally Unique Identifier, Generator Library. It provides the API for creating unique 128-bit identifiers for software components and COM objects. It is a mandatory requirement for developers and several administrative tools. If missing, software registration scripts and certain database installation wizards will fail, citing an unable to generate unique identifier error. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Because GUID Generator DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including GUID Generator, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing GUID Generator DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to GUID Generator. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching GUID Generator today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.